All right, in this video, we're gonna do 9 different turn variations, and Megan and I might argue during the video, we'll see. So if you're like me, leaders, you get bored dancing your same 8 moves over and over, so I'm gonna give you 9 variations off 2 basic sets of footwork for the follower.
Yes, followers, we get to have 2 sets of footwork and all 9 patterns, and it's gonna be awesome.
All right, so here is, let's see if we argue along the way. So our 2 basic patterns are our inside turn, which we all know from beginner class, and the less used outside turn, right? So
but just as awesome.
It's just as awesome, especially if you're Megan, you like to spin. So the inside turn, the outside turn is led like a whip. 1, 2, there's a beat where I take my hand up to go over her head. For 3 and 4, there's a beat there. Don't space on it. Anchor 5 and 6. But let's take a journey through these 9 different turn variations. The first one obviously being the inside turn. But then simply dancing a sugar push. To change to my right hand, I have a free spin. I like to lead this a lot with beginners, right? But if I have that right hand and my follower's comfortable, I can get to move number 3 and keep this hand, right? And then I'm stuck in a sugar push, but guess what? I can lead an inside turn from closed position, right? If I was in closed position again, in that inside turn situation, maybe because I did this move before, right? I could lead it the same inside turn with Megan, keeping that hand right there, right? Then, if I dance, I'm gonna have to dance a right side pass to change to the hand that I want, because if I have a cross hand hold, I can get to the cool kid. I call this a fastball inside turn, because it feels like I'm throwing a fastball, right? Then, of course, we got our basic outside turn. There's our basic outside turn, but if I go behind my back, same outside turn, I have another variation, but then I need to get rid of this hand. I can get rid of this hand over my shoulder to pick up the right hand to do wrist clips from my 9th variation, and then I have no idea how we're gonna get out of this.
Sunshine.
We're gonna get out of this, and we have 2 hands and we lead a slingshot. But those are 9 West Coast swing turn variations to help keep you from getting bored on the dance floor. If you wanna have endless amount of moves, you need to go to our website, westcoastswingonline.com. You can do that right here. We have hundreds of patterns broken down by level from beginner all the way to pro level moves. We have an app in the App Store and on Android. You can search it Social Dance Online, but click that link. I'll tell you all the rest of it. See you on the dance floor.